Hey there, campers. Here's how you can get bread in Outbound. Bread is one of the easiest foods to make in the game, and it's a great option if you're starting to get tired of the small hunger recovery from relying only on road berries and amber morels. To make bread, you'll first need to unlock the baking oven blueprint. If you don't have it yet, continue unlocking landmark terminals or signal towers until it becomes available. Once you've unlocked the blueprint, set up camp, open the build menu, and head to the Workstation tab. From there, go to the cooking section and build the baking oven on any valid buildable surface. It requires 2 everwood planks, 2 rocks, and 2 grain. After building it, interact with the oven, and you'll see bread as the first available recipe. Simply craft it using 2 grain and 1 water. Wait for the baking process to finish, then collect your bread from the oven. You've now got yourself a reliable snack for your travels, and that's basically all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more straightforward guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.